leverage the opportunity of Facebook organic marketing. Are you trying out Facebook organic marketing but it's just not working out? Are you making posts? Are you trying to get sales? Are you trying to get leads? But no matter what you do, it seems like you're drowning in a big ocean. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can simplify what you're doing and make yourself a lot of money from Facebook organic marketing. So with that said, let's jump into the video. All right, what I want you to do is go to Facebook. And if you don't have a Facebook profile, please, I'm asking you to create one. It's very easy to create a Facebook profile. All right, so you would go to Facebook, create a profile with a target eye catcher. When I say target eye catcher, what I'm trying to say exactly is you will build your Facebook account as a funnel in people that is your audience. All right, so make your Facebook account about what you're providing. For me, I'm providing help for struggling coaches and consultants. So as you can see on my profile here, that's what I got there. So anyone view my profile or anyone comes here, they will see definitely that, hey, this person is a consultant that helps with growing and struggling consultant to get them to billions, because they will come and they will read what I have here. Am I correct? All right, thank you very much. So with that said and done, and you got your Facebook profile, you want to modify your profile. You can click here, you can add a link. So anyone clicks here, they can go to what you're providing. All right, you can also put a link here. As you see, this is my YouTube link. So anyone click this link would go to my YouTube channel and they will find other ways of how they can make money online. I haven't currently start to put up on my channel about coaching and consulting, but that's what I'm currently starting right now from this video. So if you're also interested in growing your business, getting it full automated, or if you want some mindset coaching, also if you want to do marketing on an automated level, we provide that for you as well. So you can reach out to me in the comments, you can find my Facebook page, you can send me a DM, and we can start talking from there. I'm working with an excellent team of coaches that offer all these that I just talked about. All right, and I'm working for Gifted Boss. I'm proud to say that. All right, otherwise, let's go back to what we're doing here. After you have your Facebook profile modify and funnel down for what you want to provide, you will also go to where your future customers are. All right, so find where they're hanging out, and most definitely where they're hanging out is in the groups. So you will go to groups. All right, I'm providing help in terms of counselors and consultants. All right, in terms of coaches and consultants. So for me, I'm going to be in the consultants and counselors group. And as I come here, you can see that they are putting up posts about how I have been able to book 5 to 10 calls per day without a funnel, no ads, zero following. All right, so as you can see, they're showing how they get booked 5 to 10 customers. All right, no ads, no nothing, no follower, no funnel. And whoever want to know how to do this, as you can see, there's a lot of comments here. So this is what you would necessarily do. If you're promoting something about losing weight, you would find some lose weight groups. If you're promoting something about counselors, you would find that form of group as well. All right. You would enter these groups and you would provide value. Don't just go there and try to sell stuff. All right. You would go inside these groups and you would provide value to whosoever are in these groups. And whenever they're seeing all the values that you're promoting, persons will click on your post and they will say, hey, how did you do this? Did you do that? And you can take it from there to your DMs and you can reach out to the person in DM. Then you can have them to book a call with you. Whenever they book a call with you, that's when you're going to get down more into detail of what you're providing. You may not get a sale on the first call, all right, but the best thing is to try to provide all the values that you have and all of what you can do. If the person is interested, most likely they're gonna ask you what's the pricing and you try to close the deal from there. But Facebook organic marketing, it's not hard, it's really easy. All right, so please remember to subscribe to the channel and I'm gonna show you something here. All right, I'm in about three to four different coaching groups. All right, and if you go inside all of these groups, you're going to see posts that is relating to stuff that you want to ask or you want to say if you're in the same niche. So a key thing what you could do, you could go in, for instance, 6 different groups. If you want to leverage 3 of them, I would say go in 6 different groups, all right? And whatever they're posting in one, you can copy the same post and rephrase it, or you can even use back the same post in a different group. And while doing that, you find all the post that is valuable and choose the post that gets also a lot of reactions. All right, you want to look for the ones that have a lot of comments, a lot of likes, and you can share them in the opposite group that you want to leverage. All right, when persons start to reach out to you, it's going to be warm traffic because they already saw that, hey, you're good at your game and they just want to know more. So it's just for you now to go ahead and get the close in. It's very simple like that. So again, let me give you a quick recap for this reviewing Facebook organic marketing video. All right, you're going to set your Facebook profile as a funnel. So when persons come to your profile, they see what you're providing without hesitation. You got your channel links to take them back to the same thing you're providing, and you post consistent and post things that is relevant to the niche you're in, and make sure that it is also relevant as in it's valuable. All right, because if it's not valuable, not a lot of persons will want to see all these things. I just started out with doing this. I just started with Gifted Boss, and I'm loving how it's going. All right, so I just want to share some insight of how you can do this and leverage the opportunity of Facebook organic marketing. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Help me grow to millions. All right, and we're out. Come again for a new video shortly.